Okay, this next gi-specific task-based game is to help you guard passing with Toreandos, okay? Traditionally, if you want to learn Toreando, they would teach you a technique of how to Toreando, but what's really important is having a very good feeling and understanding of how to do it and how to maneuver around that. So we're going to start with a game, and all you're going to try and do is someone starting on their back and someone starting with Toreando grips, and you're trying to constantly get control, and I'll show you what I mean, which I won't show you what I mean, I don't have hands. Let's come back this way a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to start here, and all you're going to try and do is try and keep pushing me back like this. And I'm just going to keep trying to step over here, and every time you come back in, I'm trying to move it around a different way and trying to either be here or here. But you got to imagine like the bottom of his soles are lava. Every time it touches me, I burn. You know what I mean? You know, I would do the same thing in no-gi with the ankles, which is actually easier to guide him. But it's, if he grabs my sleeves, I'm gone. Yeah, there's no control there. So I want to make sure that I am like this, but I'm just moving around. So you're just going to keep trying to push me back, and I just got to keep moving around here. And it's not so much about holding them, it's just about redirecting them. Even me, I feel very uncoordinated now.
Do you want to grip them? He said it's all about moving them. Just try not to touch me.
Yep, and go back in. Good. Nice. And feel free to you know, put one in between your leg as well, go all different ways. Yeah, exactly. And every time she pulls out, and I want you to become less and less forceful as it goes, if you can. More smooth. Some couple there. Nice. Okay, pause for a second. So the important thing with this is to develop like a very relaxed fluency to it, because you don't want to be moving them. It just costs you energy. What you want to be able to do is just consistently move around them. You know, treat them as if they're very powerful, and try and create movement around them. This is something I said to you the other day, Beck, about when you're going with guys especially, try not to move them, try and move around them, because it's just such a disadvantage. If I'm going against someone 300 pounds, I'm not going to try and move them because I'm just going to use too much energy. Even if I can move them, the amount of energy I need to do that is just too much. So I'm much better off to treat them like a tree and just climb around them. You know what I mean? Let them, whatever move they take, you're going to try and go around them. So, or, you know, re-guide them a different way. So when you're doing that, just try and imagine that. So you don't have those points where you're squeezing it all. It's almost, the whole thing is just, it's just moving them. Okay, let's do another 30 seconds of that.
Right now, for you moving me first.
Come this way a little bit if you don't mind.
Like let me move.
Like try to.
Yeah, because right now I feel you moving me around.
Yeah, don't you move
Yeah.
her. She's the one, she has to put her feet on you.
Gotcha.
So I want you to just re-guide them.
Gotcha.
Redirect them. Oh, that looks better already. Yeah, good. You see, now you're kind of moving. She's initiating the movement, and you're just going with it. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Leandra Lowe was really good with this. Never use much strength, but just keep flipping around. Yeah, definitely much harder. Once she catches your leg, and the goal in that would be to obviously pass, so she doesn't have time to do that, but also just be very aware of when the leg is there and they can grip it. So you're not only trying to re-torient her legs, but anytime your leg's in distance of her grabbing it, be ready to lift it back.
Gotcha.
Okay, so let's go back in again and just be a little bit more aware that if your leg is in reach of her hand, move it before she grabs it.
Okay.
It's a really good guard retention game.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah, that's better. You see how the pass almost comes from that?
Yeah.
harder. I got harder and harder from like the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. How'd that feel for you?
Better.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I did feel that pass like just materialize when I
Exactly.
was focused on moving my legs back because it
Yeah.
like forces her into that bad position.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
because
make
you
them
make me
open
reach
it.
because there's
Yeah.
no legs. So the second I go like this, you're like,
Good.
Good
All right,
stuff.
good stuff.